Bollywood actor and leader of the Shinde Shivsena group, Govinda, sustained a leg injury due to an accidental misfire of his licensed revolver. According to reports, the incident occurred yesterday evening when the revolver misfired, causing a bullet to hit his leg. Following the accident, Govinda was rushed to Criticare Hospital in Juhu, where he was admitted to the ICU. Currently, his condition is reported to be stable, and he is receiving treatment. It has been reported that Govinda was preparing to leave for a show in Kolkata when the licensed revolver accidentally fell while being placed in its case, leading to the misfire. In response to the incident, Mumbai Police have launched an investigation into the matter,